grab a bite to get gas.
Yeah, it's fine.
So we get other traffic.
Come over, lady.
Quit driving.
Get over. Get in this lane. Somebody's gonna come behind you and plow you.
Stop. Let the white truck get... Let the white truck get ahead of you and then pull over. It's not that difficult, is it?
Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
You are going crazy too.
Not because of you. Would like to record this person coming behind them, hitting them because they're not getting over.
I don't get it. Then pull up on their butt.
I don't want to be that close to the action.
I know. They need to let the white truck.
They need to turn. They can turn into this lane.
I know.
How they are. Let this guy in.
Yeah, that's how you do it. I don't know why that vehicle's not getting in the lane.
Maybe they're still trying to decide where they're going, but...
Well, pick a lane. If you're wanting over, you got to get your butt over. They don't honk their horn at them. The truck needs to honk their horn at them if they want over. You can't be riding a butt and want to have your blinker on.
So they can travel a lot easier as we go.
Don't wait till it's too late.
Oklahoma State Cowboys. Oh my gosh, we got to beat Iowa State.
I'll run up there and tell them.
I cannot wait. So hang on.
Get over in this lane. If you're gonna be in this lane.
It's the highway.
Wait till that one hits YouTube.
No.
Yeah, right, lady.
Doesn't have to be about my head. Potty mouth.
Okay, Garmin.
No. Stop.
Keep saving. You can do it, buddy. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
I'm seriously gonna tell them if they really want to be in this lane, then get over. Does their steering wheel not work?
I don't know, honey.
Because they're making everybody go over into the other two lanes. That's how, I mean, not quite like that, but it's how you do it. Honk at them. Not you. I'm saying to that Traverse vehicle to get that car over.
They're over now. Need to hit the Cracker Barrel.